सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सो जाने बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया हम बीमार हैं जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ
My birthright, and I shall have it. Bal Gangadhar Tilak has said right that Swaraj is mine, your, and every Indian citizen's birthright. They shall have it from their birth. A very good evening to all of the people in my Abacus Institute. Today, me, Eda, happily wishes everyone a very happy Independence Day and had got a golden chance to speak a few lines on our motherland, India. India has been always famous for its textiles, spices, jewelry, pearls, etc. Traders from many countries like Mesopotamia, now called Iraq, and Persia, now called Iran, and England, came India to trade. The Britishers were engaged as most powerful among them. The Britishers made a company known as the English East India Company in the India for trade. The company traded by buying goods cheaply from India and selling abroad them at high prices. This resulted profit for the company and the company becoming stronger and becoming richer. The company slowly and slowly saw that there was a lack of unity among the people of India. The company conquered a large part of India when the Britishers were firmly established in India. They started to exploit the farmers, traders, craftsmen, etc. The farmers were forced to grow a plant known for its indigo dye. The farmers were also made to pay high taxes in the times of floods and droughts. The traders were not allowed to trade of their choice. This cruelty of Britishers were not tolerated by some Indians and the revolt of 1857 broke out. The revolt of 1857 didn't achieve its goals but was a very good major blow for uniting the Indians. The Indians realized that the Britishers want to keep India bad and keep India poor. This grew up the nationalism and the unity in the Indians and major movements for our freedom came into our India. The major movements worked but took time and the India was very happy with its freedom. Friends, we should not forget that the sacrifices of our brave heroes like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rani Lakshmi Bai fought for our country last till their breath. Thank you. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.
Good evening everyone and happy Independence Day today. Himanish Brial is going to sing a patriotic song in front of you. Hope you like it. तलवारों पे सर जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। वो 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 तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा ना सका, आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा ना सका। ओ वतना वे मेरे वतना वे, तेरा मेरा इश्क निराला था, तेरे आबाद हुआ तेरी असमत में, मैं कितना नसीबो वाला था। वो 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 तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में लहरावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।
Good morning teachers, my name is Suryan Singh Jampal. I read in class 5G. Today I will sing a rag Bhim Klasi.
तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा इस मातृभूमि के मान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है। A very good morning to all. This is me, Sanvi Sharma. Today I am here to present speech on Independence Day. On this day, 15 August 1947, we got freedom from British rule. In this day, we remember our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and others. They sacrificed their life for the freedom of our country. The peaceful life we are living today, is just because of their sacrifices. I would like to say that I must be proud to be an Indian. So celebrate this festival with joy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Morning everyone, my name is Arman Gupta. I read in class 6. Today I am going to speak few lines on the topic Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year to remember all the sacrifices done by the great leaders who sacrificed their lives for the independence of India. After independence, we got all the fundamental rights in our nation, our motherland. We should be proud to be an Indian and admire to took birth in the land of independent Indian. As being a good citizen, we should be ready to handle any type of emergency condition in our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.